Hello, I'm April. Today, I'm going to show you how to root your Samsung Galaxy Note 2 model number GT N7100. The method we're going to use in this tutorial is the chain-fire auto-root method. It's a very easy method. The same procedure reportedly also works for the LTE variant, the GT N7105, using a different set of files, although I haven't tried it myself. Rooting is a relatively safe procedure, but still, you need to remember that this tutorial is for a specific device. Don't try this on a different device, you could destroy it. Android Authority doesn't give you 100% guarantee that these instructions will in fact work for your particular device. This tutorial is purely for educational purposes. There's a chance for your data to become corrupted or to be completely erased in the process, so back up your precious phone data first before proceeding. There's also a chance that you could damage your device by following this tutorial. If that happens, Android Authority won't be responsible or liable for it. Proceed at your own risk. Now that you've been properly warned, let's prepare by checking what we need beforehand. For this procedure, you are going to need a Windows PC with your phone's USB drivers installed, Odin flashing software, chain-fire's auto-root package, and of course the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 GT N7100. In this tutorial, we're going to use a Windows computer. Make sure that the USB drivers for your phone are installed on your PC. Otherwise, the flashing software will not be able to communicate with your phone. The safest way to install the USB drivers is to install Samsung Keys. Just make sure that Samsung Keys is not running in the background when you run the flashing software. For this procedure, you'll need to download two files: the flashing software called Odin and chain-fire's auto-root package. The links are in the description box. Both are zip archives. Extract the contents of the two files into a folder on your PC. From the Odin archive, you should get 4 files after extraction, and from the auto-root archive, you should be getting one with a .tar.mt5 extension. The MD5 extension may be hidden though, depending on your computer settings. Finally, make sure that your phone still has enough power. At least 50 to 70% should be enough. Now that we have everything ready, we can now start flashing. First, turn off the Note 2 completely. Wait for the short vibration confirming that the phone has completely shut down. Then, boot the phone into download mode by holding the volume down, home, and power buttons all together until the warning screen appears. From the warning screen, confirm that you want to proceed to download mode by pressing the volume up button. Your phone is now ready for flashing. On the PC, launch Odin by double-clicking the Odin executable file. This is how Odin's interface looks like. It's now time to plug in your phone to your PC. Connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Odin should detect your phone and get ready to communicate with it. Once it is ready, you'll see added in this box here. This ID COM box will also light up in color, indicating that your phone has been detected. Click the PDA button and look for chain-fire's auto-root file. Select the file. You should be able to see the file name and path right beside the PDA button. Don't make any other changes in Odin, especially with the options. Make sure that the repartition option does not have a checkmark. If it does, uncheck it. Repartitioning your phone could render it useless. Now, Odin is ready to flash the rooting package. Press the start button in Odin and wait for its magic to finish. It won't take a very long time. If the process succeeds, you will see a pass message like this, which means the rooting was successful. Your phone will also reboot. You will see lines of text on the screen while rebooting. These are actually scripts that execute as part of the rooting process. They usually indicate successful flashing of the rooting package. Just let the commands finish. When you see the Samsung boot animation, you can now unplug your phone from the PC. Let's now check whether we now have root access. The first clue is the presence of the SuperSU app. Here it is. This usually indicates that the phone is rooted, but just to be sure, let's check using the Root Checker app. There it is. Houston, we have root. Great job! You now have a rooted Samsung Galaxy Note 2 GT N7100. You can now use apps that need root privileges. For more Android guides, news, and reviews, visit AndroidAuthority.com. This is April. Thanks for watching. And remember, the power of Android is yours.